Darkness.
I like it when the first time spread out. That was the opening moment of it. On here. It's still early, but it's yeah. It looks like we went through 5 houses in a row.
This is the sheer definition of rapid fire.
See one.
Damn it, your doppelganger! He doesn't have a long enough beard! Hey, they weren't out at all last night, so that was nice. They're supposed to hear Men in Black. I didn't see them all last night.
Yeah, they were out there last night.
Well, once I left that side, I was not over that side again. So that might be what it was.
You just wait, so you have to wait.
Time for Afterlife. I'll catch you guys in a few seconds. That's all I got to say about that.